2.5 GB Ethernet port. 2.5G network adapter supports 3 speeds, 2.5 gigabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 100 megabits per second over standard Cat5e cables at distances up to 100 meters, 328 feet. PCIe to 2.5G. This 2.5GBase-T PCIe network adapter converts a PCIe slot into a 2.5G Ethernet port. Compatible operating systems. This network adapter is compatible with Windows Server operating system. Jumbo frame. Sends larger packets, or jumbo frames, up to 9 kilobytes, for increased performance. Includes standard and low-profile brackets. IEEE 802.3 and 802.3 compliant. Top reviews from the United States. Cheap. Works. Installing a PCIe device might not be for everyone, but if you have an available slot and as long as that slot doesn't use any lanes that another device needs, this will get you 2500 Ethernet into a computer. Note that the other end of that Ethernet cable will need to plug into another 2500 Ethernet device. This means you may need a modem, router, and switch all with 2500 Ethernet. Also, the cable you use matters. As long as you understand all the potential issues involved, this is cheap and effective. No driver installs needed, at least not for Windows 11.